Welcome to Zoomers RV. Today we just got in a 2002 Holiday Rambler Endeavor. This is a 38 PVT. Has aluminum wrapped porch awning, door awning, and window awnings. It's on a Roadmaster chassis, aluminum wheels, Cummins diesel engine, diesel generator. Both slides have slide awnings, in-motion satellite system, full basement storage, 2 roof air units. Has a backup camera, tow package, rock skirt, rear ladder. We just drove this unit in 1,300 miles. It drove great, no issues, no delamination, 10-gallon hot water heater. Decals are nice, paint's excellent. Has Goodyear tires that are about half. We'll walk inside. Has leather front captain chairs. They're not worn or torn. Very nice shape. This unit has 49,000 miles. Backup camera, 6-speed Allison transmission, power gear, hydraulic leveling system, Jake brake, power pedals, CD player, beautiful overhead cabinetry, DVD player. In the Holiday Ramblers, all the cabinetries are hardwood. Super slide on the right has a sofa that makes into a bed. Sofa cushions are in great shape. Table with 2 chairs. Again, overhead cabinets there. Very nice day-night shades. Same on the left. Leather easy chair, flip up table there on the left. Overhead cabinetry looks great. Solid surface Corian countertops. Double sink with covers. 3-burner stove. Carousel, sharp carousel convection microwave oven. Norcold refrigerator and freezer with ice maker. Has a split bathroom, cabinet, sink, medicine cabinet, all here on the right. Huge corner glass shower. Bathroom on the left. Foot flush stool, cabinet, fan in the ceiling. All the controls are here. It does have the heated underbelly. Gas, electric, hot water heater. Storage there. Storage down here. In a rear bedroom where the slide goes to the right. Full walk around queen size bed. Tons of storage here on the left. Nice countertop. TV in the corner. Washer dryer combo. And a big closet in the back. Place to plug and lay your cell phone on either side of the bed. Has the white padded panel ceiling through the roof. 2 rooftop AC units blow the AC through the roof. Furnace blows through the floor. Has carpet back here in the bedroom. Real tile through the bathroom and kitchen. And carpet in the front. This unit is very clean on the interior, other than minor stains on this light blue carpet. It's in very nice shape. There are no odors. There are no pet odors, no smoke, no mold, no mildew odor at all, no mothballs. Just a very nice clean coach. Looks great. Any questions, please call. Thanks for looking.